Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a post on your Threads profile using an Android phone. Pinning a post lets you highlight important content at the top of your profile, making it easier for visitors to see. Let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Scroll through your posts and locate the one you want to pin. Tap the three dots located next to that post. This will open a menu of options. From the menu, select Pin to Profile. Now go back to your profile and refresh it. You'll see the pinned post displayed right at the top of your posts. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a post on your Threads profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple mobile tutorials. Thanks.